In this video, we're going to talk about your agent smart URL. When you received an email with your login information, you should have also received a link that is called your agent smart URL. And your agent smart URL typically starts with your website name, your company website. So in this case, we're going to do Aspen Premier Properties. And then it's your first name dash last name. Or in some cases, we use it in the very beginning. We put it in the beginning as a subdomain name, but for most cases, it's your company URL slash first name, last name. So if you hit enter on that, this URL, it's going to redirect and it's going to show you the longer version of the URL, but you'll notice this little agent header ID in here. And I know this is kind of small in this video, but this, I'm going to show you what that is in just a moment. But what this does is it cookies the user's browser. So anybody that starts out by typing in your smart URL, their browser will be cookied, and if they save a property, for instance, if I come here and I click save, it's going to ask me to sign up, and if I were to sign up, then it would assign that lead back to you. So you can feel confident using this URL on business cards, in your marketing, and anywhere you want. So go back to that email and get that agent smart URL and make sure that you use it on any of your marketing, advertising, and anywhere that you may want to make sure that people are going back to the site, but that the lead is going to come back to you. This is very important. And if once they come to this page, no matter where they go on the site, so let's say they come in here and they go to the map search page, they're still cookied. As long as they're on any page that starts with the company name, the subdomain name, then it will automatically go back to you as a lead. And I do encourage you to test this out, to try it out by putting in a fake lead, signing up as a fake lead, and see if that lead comes back to you. So the Agent Smart URL is an awesome way for the company to be able to give you a way to use the company's website as your own and to assure you that the lead is going to always come back to you. Once that person signs up, then you'll be able to come into your agent dashboard and go to your leads. And here's an example right here. If you go into the lead info, you'll be able to see all of the traffic history, and this isn't going to show any because I haven't done anything, but you'll be able to see the traffic history, the property updates, any saved properties they've had, saved searches, market reports they've signed up for. You can edit the lead and so on and so forth. So we'll go over more about how to manage leads in a different video, but I did want to show you that your agent smart URL is connected to your account and that you can use it to make sure that all leads come back to you. There's also another really cool thing that you can do. You can find your agent smart URL, the actual code, if you come over here to home and bio, and then click on subheader. So if you want to use the longer version, for instance, this right here is your agent header ID. That's what's built into your agent smart URL. You can use this on any page on the site. So as an example, they're showing you the advanced search page. So you could take this whole URL and copy it into Facebook and tell people, hey, you want to search homes like Zillow? Use our website. Our properties are updated every hour directly from the MLS, and you can search homes just like any of the big name sites right here directly from our website and provide that link to them. And then when they click on it, it will cookie their browser. But let's use this agent header ID in other ways. So if you were to copy this right here and then go to the website, as an example on this site, we have lots of different specialized links in here. We have homes for sale by area, by neighborhood, by property type, by lifestyle, and so on and so forth. So let's say every week you want to feature a different one of these links. You can come in here and you can click on, let's say, golf course homes. And here's your URL. They don't have any golf course homes. So let's try something different. Let's do luxury. Okay, so we got a lot of luxury homes. So all you have to do is up here at the top of the URL, paste that agent header ID. So it shows up here. Now grab that whole thing and copy it and paste that into any social media websites or Facebook, for instance, as a post. And you can, once you post it just like that, it will automatically cookie the user. Your regular short URL, the domain name / first name, last name, that's always going to go to your agent profile page. So it's not going to be any specialized searches. But if you want to use that specialized URL, the agent header ID at the end of any of the IDXBroker pages on your site, you can add it, and it will be a link that is customized just for you, that you can give out to anybody you want or put on any social media sites, that will guarantee that anybody that signs up on that link will come back to you as a lead. And that's it. If you have any questions about your agent's smart URL, please go ahead and shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. We're happy to hand walk you through anything or make a custom link for you or show you more about how to use the agent's smart URL. Have a great day.